Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Mastery Pro. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining how you can download and install the Visual Studio Code on your laptop or PC. Hey, if it's the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribing button. So guys, here are the tips on how to download Visual Studio on your laptop or PC. Now to download the Visual Studio Code, I have to launch my Google Chrome and I have to expand my Google Chrome. Click so www.softonic.com. So I'm patiently waiting, and I'll come down to this place. I have to type Visual Studio Code search. So guys, so I have to scroll down, come to my Visual Studio Code here. So I have to read the instruction. Visual Studio Code is a powerful and free code editor that you can download on your Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7 computer. Created by Microsoft, the application lets users code in any programming language without switching tabs or editors. It provides developers with a single tool that lets them code, build and debug quickly and efficiently. Site, you can download any software you want. I have to patiently wait for the software to load. So I have to click on download. So patiently waiting. So I have to go down. I'm patiently waiting for the software to load. So full download for PC. So I have to close this. So download Visual Studio Code for Windows V. So I have to relaunch the download. It's downloading already. So my Visual Studio is downloading already. So, and we have other ways. I have to open a new tab. I have to type Visual Studio. So I can come to the main website to download the Visual Studio. I have to click on this. Not right now, sorry. I have to click on the Visual Studio. So let me check my download, guys. So I've downloaded my software. Finish. So yeah, I can also download from the Visual Studio. We have Mac OS, we have Windows, that is any window I want, and we have Linux. So guys, I have to close my Google Chrome. I have to come back to my file explorer. I'll come to download. So I have to launch my Visual Studio. Run. I accept and next create a desktop icon, install. So I have to close my file explorer back. Patiently waiting for my Visual Studio to install. It's still extracting the files. I'm basically waiting for the Visual Studio to install. So launch the Visual Studio Code. Finished. I have to refresh. So I'm patiently waiting for the Visual Studio to open. So guys, thanks for watching and follow for more tips, guys.